What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can translate any Instagram comment. So let's start this video by launching the Instagram app. When the app is launched, I'll look for some comments to translate. Firstly, I have to pick a post from my newsfeed. I'll just translate a comment from this post. Now for that, what you have to do is tap on the three dots of the post and then tap on copy link. Now close the Instagram app and open a browser. Now paste the link on the browser and it will take you to that specific post. Now let's look for a comment. I'll take the comment which is in front of me. Long press on the comment and then copy it. Now open a new tab and paste it on the search bar. And then add translate into your desired language. I'll translate it to French. And here you can see the translation. Now if you want to hear the pronunciation, tap on the speaker icon. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.